Welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Trane XR90 error code. So guys, this issue means a pressure switch error, usually caused by airflow problems or venting issues. So turn off the furnace, and after that, just simply inspect the intake and the exhaust PVC pipes outside your home and clear any leaves, snow, insects, or debris blocking the airflow. Now, also look for cracks, disconnections, or water in the tubing connected to the pressure switch, and just simply reconnect or replace if there is any damage. And after that, after fixing the blockages, just simply restore the power and set the thermostat to call for heat. And watch out to see if the furnace completes its startup cycle. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.